Hello and welcome to Counterculture DIY. Today we'll be doing an acrylic paint pour using Rick's Mix. Here is a list of supplies for today's project. Before starting this project, prep your wood by adding 2 coats of prime time white. Add painter's tape to the back of your wood. This will help to easily remove drips from paint and epoxy after your project is dry. Carefully remove the extra tape using your X-Acto knife. Elevate your wood by adding small caps underneath and prepare your surface to protect it from drips from paint and epoxy. Wear protective gloves. I'll be using lime green, cherry blossom red, mandarin, and daffodil yellow. I'll also add a small amount of metallic silver and gold. For my base, I'll be using alabaster white. Use a torch or heat gun in low heat in order to pop any bubbles. Start to pour a small amount of each color one at a time. The metallic gold and metallic silver will add a nice shimmer. Last, I'm adding more white. White is the key. You want to be very generous with the amount of white you add. Use a spatula to scoop and drag the white over the other colors. White will aid in creating more cells. Use a straw to push the color from the center to the edge of the wood. If needed, you can always add a little more in areas where you would like more paint. Using a plastic stick, add lines to your design. can also tilt your wood panel to push the colors to the edge. Quickly and on high setting, use your torch to create more cells. Allow the paint to dry for 1 to 2 days before applying a layer of quick coat and sealing with epoxy. I'm sealing it with thin viscosity epoxy and also adding flax and gold mica, and I'm with the band Precious Metals to add more sparkle to this project. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Counterculture DIY YouTube channel, and follow the link below to find any other items used in this project.